Welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. I'm Deanna. Are you all set for the fluffy pumpkin hook-along? All the kits are shipping right now, as well as the patterns if you don't want a kit and you just want your own material. This is the pattern here. This is happening on Mischief Night, the night before Halloween. I will log on at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I will be live hooking this pattern with you for about probably 3 hours it'll take me. Just the pumpkin part. And this is based on the Maud Lewis Fluffy Cat. The leaves are done in red colors. I'm going to show you those. I'll be hooking this live with you, the pumpkin part, and you can do the background however you want or turn it into a stuffed piece, right? But I'll be doing this live with you, and it will be recorded, right? It'll be one of the videos that you can watch on the Ribbon Candy Hooking channel for all of time. So if you are not available on the weekend for that time, you could still get your pattern and or kit, and you could work on it later with me. It's going to be a fun project, and we should finish it the night before Halloween. So I'm busy cutting up the black for Fluffy's face. It's kind of an antique black, and then I have got real strong black for his features, and a little bit of aubergine for the background, and a bunch of reds that I think are super, super pretty. Colorful reds from mismatching ferns, right? All of the leaves are going to be different colors of red. And just like often Maud Lewis cat characters, two different colored eyes, like a yellow color and a lime color. So this will be a fun kit. I'm putting them together right now. It is not too late to get yours. You could even do it after Halloween, of course. It's a great thing to have. I hope that you will pick yours up now, and I will see you on Mischief Night, October 30th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live hook along. It'll be fun to chat and to work and to get some close-ups of seeing rug hooking in action. For those of you who are beginners, it'll be a fun few hours together. I will see you then.